Hi guys, good afternoon. This is iPhone XR. You guys have repaired it tons of time, not an issue at all. But this phone came dead and it was water damage, dropped in a creek. It stayed there for like 20-30 minutes and then customer pulled it out and then the phone worked for a little while and then it went dead. And that happened yesterday, our day for yesterday. They brought it this morning and still you can see right here, still you can see the water is still standing, okay, kind of, so I hope you can see it. And then a little bit of the condensation here. So this is like in the camera lens, so it means the water is still inside and still not dried. And also customer left it in the rice. So now when he pulled it out, this phone was like completely dead, no response, nothing at all. So this video is just for kind of like information purpose, that when any of the water damage phone happens, just suggest customer never to leave in the rice, because those rice is not going to help phone at all to be fixed. Or customer had a myth in their mind, which was the old myth like 20-30 years ago, when phone was like just a flip phones and a very basic phones. Yeah, that could work, but today's technology, this cannot be fixed by leaving the phone in the rice, okay? So, and also you can see the crack at the back glass also, so the water can seep from many areas in the phone, from charging port, the speaker holes, the ear speaker. There are all these areas where the water can go inside. So never tell customer never to leave the phone in the rice, and just bring it back as soon as for repair, wherever there's a repair shop available, a good repair shop available. Just go there, tell them that happened. Also, the time is essence. Like if this phone is left for extended period of time, like couple of days, obviously the water will start damaging and eating up and rusting the components. So the time is essence. So I suggest my customer, don't wait, bring it back as soon as possible. Don't use the phone, don't charge the phone, just bring it back. So at least there's a better chance the phone to be survived and the customer's pictures and memories can be preserved. Okay, so yeah, so this is a video just for information, not to leave the phone in the rice, and bring it back as soon as possible if there's water damage, okay? And also the different kind of water react differently in the phone. So pool water, lake water, sea water, tap water, they all have a different reaction when it goes in the phone, and different result after the water interact with the charged batteries and kind of like get electrocuted inside, okay? So thank you so much for watching, and share this video so people can at large can understand, and not to leave the phone in the rice, and bring it back as soon as possible for repair, so there's a better chance the phone to be survived. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.